guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN finance, or YFI. YFI is currently at the time of recording at the $7,100 level. So today I'm going to be showing you why I would be buying even more YEARN finance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 24 hours, YEARN finance is up about 4.2%. And without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we on the chart right here for YEARN finance versus the USD Theta. We on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So before we go into the analysis right here for YEARN finance, I just want to remind you that we have the Bitcoin halving coming soon in 14 hours 33 minutes. So we have an ETA date for the Bitcoin halving to be April 20th of 2024, which is tomorrow, right? So with the Bitcoin halving, we usually see a lot of things, but one of those things right here is that you should be buying a lot of coins, and I'll tell you why, right? This is what we call the crypto rainbow chart, right? And we have been shown every single place where the Bitcoin halving has occurred. If you basically bought your coins every single time right here, when the Bitcoin halving occurred, you would have bought at the very, very bottom or gotten a very, very good deal, right? As you can see right here in 2012, this was a halving. We saw after the halving, we saw this massive push to the upside weeks later. Same thing right here in 2015. We saw the halving. Immediately after the halving, just some weeks later, we saw this massive push to the upside. Same thing in 2020. After the halving, we saw the halving, and then we saw this massive push to the upside just weeks later. Same thing currently right here. We are having the halving, and so weeks later, we should be expecting some sort of massive push to the upside right here for YFI, right? So remember, back to the chart, we bought our first tranche of YFI right here in October, expecting that push to the upside, and we didn't get that push until around December, where we saw this massive push to the upside. Currently, we are in April, and we are currently at this buy region, and we are buying the last tranche of our YFI, expecting our push probably even to all-time highs, right? So that is the update right here. Remember, after the Bitcoin halving, we usually see this sort of massive bull run that follows. And so we are buying even more YFI, expecting that we could see YFI hit probably even all-time highs right here after the Bitcoin halving, right? So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.